away from the ground, in the middle of the sea, in the depth of the ocean. They are always for us, the brave warriors in the white suit. They are always for us. Today is Indian Navy Day. Good morning everyone. This is Savita Singh. Today I am pretty much proud of myself because I have a beautiful opportunity to speak about great Indian Navy. So, it's our time to show gratitude towards the strong Indian Navy.
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
Wow, students, it is such a melodious song, and my heart overwhelms with patriotism. And I remember our brave marine daredevils who excellently fought against Pakistan in the year of 1971. Yes, I am talking about Operation Trident, in which India targeted Karachi headquarters of Pakistani Navy and the attack made by Indian Navy. It was so tremendous that Karachi headquarters was completely destroyed and Indian Navy sank 4 Pakistani vessels, and thus in result we celebrate Indian Navy Day every year on 4th December. Commemorate their strength and bravery. Indian Navy. This day is also remembered as a victory of our Indian Navy. We all know that how important an army is for any nation, and for India, as half of the part of India is covered by ocean. The Navy is really important for us. It plays a significant role. I would say that we all are just incomplete without them. Indian Navy has 67,252 active personnel, 5,500 reserve personnel, 300 ships, and approximately 300 aircrafts. Indian Navy is also among one of the strongest and most powerful navy in the world. Indian Navy, it is such a brand name for us. Our Navy is also increasing its capabilities in attack and defense system. I must say that I speak a lot. No matter, my words are not enough to describe their daring nowadays. I can see awareness among the youth to join Indian Navy, and which is really appreciable. And I must say that more and more students to think to join in the Indian Navy. Indian Navy and Indian Air Force as Indian Armed Forces plays an important role in our India's development. If it happens, our India soon become the strongest and the most powerful nation in the world and will rank number 1. I am proud of my nation and naval officers at last. I would like to say, and I would like to conclude by saying that we can sleep peacefully. We can sleep peacefully until and unless our strong Navy officers are there on the coastline to protect us. Our school, the city school, salute to the brave, heroic and bold Indian